डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आइए आज बच्चों हम लोग एनसीईआरटी सॉल्यूशन ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन में एक्सरसाइज 3.1 पढ़ेंगे। ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल फंक्शन में मेन कॉन्सेप्ट एंगल से होता है। यू शुड नो द इंक्लाइनेशन बिटवीन द टू स्ट्रेट लाइन, इट इज नोन एज द एंगल। When the rotation is anti-clockwise direction, so the angle is positive, it is represented by plus theta. Here OA, it is the initial side, OB is known as the terminal side, inclination is anti-clockwise direction, अर्थात घड़ी की दिशा चलने की विपरीत दिशा में, इसलिए ये anti-clockwise direction वामावर्त दिशा कहलाती है। O is known as the vertex, इसको हम शीर्ष कहते हैं। इस तरफ लिया गया एंगल हमारा पॉजिटिव होता है। डियर स्टूडेंट, सिमिलरली वी कैन राइट द रोटेशन is clockwise direction, so angle is negative. Here the OA is the initial side, OB is the terminal side. The angle is rotating towards the direction of clockwise, so it will be negative. We can observe the three conditions when two horizontal lines x o x dash and y o y dash, they are intersect at any angle, they make the angle of the 90 degree. When we draw the circle, its angle is also 360 degree. According to definition of angle, we know that the angle equals to arc upon radius. So we can write radian equals to circumference upon radius. We can write circumference is 2 pi r upon r equals to 2 pi radian. So 2 pi radian equals to 360. Therefore pi radian equal to 180 degree. Here student, we know that when we wanted to change the steradian in radian or degree in radian, if we change in degree in radian, we multiplied by pi upon 180 degree. यदि बच्चों हम किसी भी डिग्री को कोणों में रेडियन में बदलना चाहते हैं, तो उस एंगल में हम पाई बटे 180 अंश का गुणा कर देते हैं। और यदि रेडियन दिया गया है और इसे हम डिग्री में बदलना चाहते हैं, तो उसे हम 180 बटे पाई का गुणा कर देते हैं। पहली एक्सरसाइज में बच्चों यही सिखाया गया है। आओ इस पर हम लोग प्रश्न देखें और कुछ नए फॉर्मूलों के साथ जुड़ें। आइए स्टूडेंट्स, हम लोग एक्सरसाइज 3.1 के बारे में कुछ शॉर्टकट सीखें। बच्चों, ये हमने क्लॉक बनाई है। इस क्लॉक में हमने 1 2 3 4 से लेके 12 घंटों को 12 भागों में डिवाइड किया है। 1 पार्ट इक्वल टू 1 आवर, 12 पार्ट इक्वल टू 12 आवर, और 1 टोटल एंगल हमारा 12 आवर्स में 360 होता है, इसलिए 1 आवर इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री होगा। 1 आवर इक्वल टू 60 मिनट बच्चों होता है, और 60 मिनट इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री। 1 मिनट इक्वल टू 6 डिग्री। 15 मिनट इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री बच्चों हम लोग जानते हैं। You should also learn student, 1 right angle equal to 90 degree, 1 degree equals to 60 minute, and 1 minute equal to 60 second. That is very very important for your this exercise. बच्चों, हम जानते हैं 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree. Therefore pi radian equals to 180 degree. 1 radian equals to 180 upon pi. We solve it. Its value is 360 upon 11 degree. We change 3630 divided by 11. 11 5 ja 55, remaining 8 0. 11 7 ja 77, remaining is 3 degree. We know that 1 degree equals to 60 minutes, so 3 degree equals to 3 into 60, 190 minutes. We further divided 180 degree by 11. We get 11 1 ja 11, remaining is 7 0. 11 6 ja 66, 4 minutes is remaining. We know that 1 minute 1 minute equal to 60 second. Further 4 minute equal to 4 into 60, 240 second. B further divided by 240 by 11. Therefore 11 2 ja 22, 2 is carry, 0, 11 1 ja 11, 9 is remaining, 0 is carry, 11 8 ja 88, 2 is remaining. It is also repeating term. So we get 21.8 seconds. Students, we know that 1 radian equals to 57 degree 16 minute 21.8 second exactly. Its approximately value is 57 degree 16 minute 22 seconds. Your book is first question is contains in that change in radian 25 degree 240 degree 520 degree minus 47 30 minutes. We know that student when we change degree in radian we multiplied by pi upon 180. So 25 is pi upon 120. We get 5 pi upon 36 radian. Similarly, we get minus 47 degree 30 minute is minus 47 degree 30 divided by 60 because it is minute we change in degree, so divided by 60, therefore its value is 94 plus 1 upon 2 degree. So 95 upon 2 degree multiplied 100 in pi by 180 we divided by 5, 3 ja 15, 5 6 ja 30, or 5 1 ja 5, 5 9 ja 45. So we multiplied, we get the 19 pi upon 72 radian. It is very important question in your textbook. आइए बच्चों हम क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकेंड की ओर बढ़ें. चेंज इन डिग्री 11 upon 16 रेडियन minus 4 रेडियन 5 पाई बटे 3 रेडियन और 7 पाई बटे 6 रेडियन. यूज पाई equals to 22 upon 7. Solution is here. Dear student, we know that when we change radian in degree, we multiplied by 180 upon pi. Therefore, 11 upon 16 radian, 11 upon 16, we multiplied 180 degree upon pi. The value of pi is given 22 by 7. We applying 11 2 ja 22 or 2 9 ja 18, 2 0 ja 0 or 2 4 8 ja 16 or 2 4 ja 8 or 2 5 ja 10. We multiplied this or we get 315 upon 8 degree. We change in minute and second. We divided by 315 degree by 8. So 8 3 ja 24. 7 is remaining. 5 taking carry. 8 9 ja 72. 3 degree is remaining. We know that 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. So 3 degree equals to 3 into 60 minutes, 180 minutes. We further divided by 180 by 8. We get 18 2 ja 16. Remaining is 2 and 0. 18 8 2 ja 16. Remaining is 4. Further we change in 1 minute equal to 60 second. 4 minute equal to 4 into 60 second equals to 240 second. Further we divided by 8 3 ja 24 0 8 0 ja 0. It will complete in cancelled. So we know that 11 upon 16 radian equals to 39 degree 22 minutes and 30 seconds. It is the actual answer of the first question. Second, minus 4 radian. We applied the same procedure. Minus 4 into 180 upon 22. We cancel it out or we get the value of minus 2520 upon 11 degree. Further we divided by 2, 5 2 0 by 11, 11 2 ja 22, 3 is remaining 2 and 11 2 ja 22, 1 is remaining 0, 11 9 ja 99, 1 degree is remaining. We know that 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. 60 minutes is divided by 11, 11 5 ja 55, 5 minute is remaining. 1 minute equals to 60 degrees, 60 seconds. So 1 change in 5 minute equal to 5 into 60 minute equals to 300 seconds. Further we divided 11 2 ja 22, remaining is 8, 8 11 7 ja 77, 3 second is remaining, we left it. Therefore we can say the 4 radian is equal to 229 degree, 5 minute and 27 seconds approximately. Third, 5 pi upon 3 radian equals to 5 pi upon 3 multiplied by 180 degree upon pi. Here pi in cancel. We divided by 3 6 ja 18 0 or 5 6 ja 30, 300 degree. It means 300 degree. 7 pi upon 6 radian equals to 7 pi upon 6 into 180 by pi. Pi is pi cancel. So we get 6 3 ja 18 or 6 0 ja 0, 7 3 ja 21. Therefore 210 degree answer. It is the all questions answer is solution in second equation. आइए बच्चों एक्सरसाइज 3.1 के सभी क्वेश्चनों को देखें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, a wheel makes 360 revolution in 1 minute. How many radians does it turn in 1 second? Student, we know that 1 minute equals to 60 second equals to 360 revolution. 1 second equals to 6 revolution. The 1 revolution which contains 2 pi radian, 6 revolution which contains by 12 pi radian. It is my required answer. The question number is 4. The circle whose radius is 100 centimeter and length of arc is 22 centimeter. We applying the formula angle equal to arc upon radius 22 upon 100 radian. We change in radian to degree or we get in 63 degree upon 5. So we divided by 63 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5, 1 3, 5 2 ja 12, 12 degree is complete, 3 degrees remaining. We change in 1 degree equals to 60 minutes, 3 degree equal to 180 minutes. We divided by this or getting 36 minutes. So my actual answer is 63 upon 5 degree equals to 12 degree 36 minutes. Question number 4 is also given here. The radius is 20 centimeter because the diameter is 40 centimeter is given. Radius is half of the diameter and the chord of the circle is also 20 centimeter. So its OA equal to OB equals to OC are same. So it makes the equilateral triangle. We applying the formula angle equal to arc upon radius. We change 60 into 20 pi upon 180. Therefore 20 pi upon 3 centimeter. It is my required answer. Next question is, there are two circles whose angle is 60 degree, 75 degree. What is the ratio of their radii? Therefore we can do theta 1 angle equal to arc upon radius. Therefore theta 1 theta 2 equals to r2 by r1. Therefore r1 upon r2 equals to theta 2 upon theta 1. We put the value 75 upon 60. We divided by 15 4 ja, 15 5 ja. Therefore theta 2 theta 1 equal to 5/4. It is my required answer. The exercise is complete. Remaining rest you can do it. If you have any problem, you can consider to me.